Hi, I'm Praneeth Joy. I'm the product manager for Heartmetric backplane connector and custom automotive connector belonging to Basics business unit. In Basics business unit, we have a wide variety of product portfolio coming from board-to-board series, wire-to-board series, input-output, backplane and FFCF PC series. And today we like to showcase our backplane connector series, which is displayed over here. So this connector series is of following the standard Heartmetric series, which is of pitch 2 mm in length and offered in a speed range up to 5 gigabytes per second. We also have a future bus connector which is called Metral in our family, which is also having the pitch of 2 mm in series and a speed of 3 gigabytes per second. And we have a DIN standard connector following DIN 41612 connector, also offering in high power and low power series. So this is a standard backplane connector series we are offering. We are offering connectors for automotive ranges as well. And in automotive series, we have the microspace, sealed, unsealed version, and also the high current version connectors available in this series. So the applications what we offer in automotive are battery, lighting, and ADAS. So the applications we focus in industrial segments are the energy management. So in energy management, we offer connectors to wide variety of applications like protection relay, metering, and in industrial we also focus on the industrial instrumentation, test and measurement connectors, and also we focus on the factory automation, the PLC, the drives, and the other important control and measuring analytics equipment. So there is a big variety of applications what we are catering to, and we have the connectors ranging from a finer pitch connectors, which is falling in 0.8 mm pitch connectors, and higher pitch connectors going up to 2.54 and 5.08 mm pitch connectors. And the current ranges also varies from 1 amps, and it multiplies up to 40 amps connectors. So there is also the low power, high power signal connectors available in our product portfolio, and for every design requirements we suggest to follow the Basics product portfolios for the best output for the connectors.